Hello friends, this video on organisms and their surroundings part 18 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So let us now see the next important feature in living organisms, that is they can grow, or they grow rather. So what exactly is growth? Now in this picture it shows the growth in case of a human being. So when a baby is born, it's like a very tiny baby who can't even sit, who can't even stand. And gradually that baby grows to become a young boy, and then a teenager, then an adult, and finally grows old to become an old man. So that's how growth continues. So growth is nothing but a positive change over a period of time. Now, it is always a positive change. It doesn't matter how old you are growing, but it is always a change which is in the positive sense. So when we say growth, we mean that things are growing. Whether you talk about your physical growth or you talk about your mental growth, you are growing in some or the other way. Now, this is an irreversible change. Now, once you grow from a small boy to an adult, so that cannot be reversed back. You cannot become a small boy again. So it is irreversible. So irreversible means that can't be reversed. So it is not only true for human beings, for any organism. You think of anything that comes to your mind. Maybe you think of an elephant. What do you see? A small baby elephant grows to become a huge elephant. But do you think that the huge elephant can again become a baby elephant? No, it cannot. Similarly, you think of human beings. Similarly, a small little girl grows up to become a beautiful young girl, and then she cannot reverse back to form that little child. Similarly, when you think of a plant, even if you properly water a plant, give it proper nutrients and everything, what happens over a period of time, the plant grows. Now, do you think that later it get transformed into a huge tree? Do you think that the huge tree can be converted back into a small plant? No, not really. So growth is an irreversible process, and growth is something which is seen in all living organisms. Whether you talk about animals, you talk about insects, you talk about plants, everywhere you see growth. So you see the tiny chickens growing to become bigger birds. So there also you see growth. So that's what I said, that whether it is plants, animals, insects, birds, everywhere you have growth. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.